Learning Python with a magical tales of adventure, resistance and friendship set in the stunning Zagros. A story of coding, resistance and friendship from Kandil Academy. Chapter 2. The Data. The Magic of Data. Vian installed a wireless system on her robot Azad so that she could easily communicate and train Azad. Vian smiled warmly as she activated the system, eager to begin her lesson. Today, Vian had decided to introduce Azad to a concept that is central to his own existence: data. Vian began, "Hello there, my curious robot Azad. Do you know what makes you more smart and intelligent?" Azad's LED lights flickered as he responded, "I believe it is because of my programming, Vian." Vian nodded, her hair moving. "Yes, that is true. But what fuels your programming? It is data, Azad. Data is the heart of your intelligence." Azad's lights blinked in curiosity. "Data? What is that, Vian? Can you explain it to me?" Vian said, "Of course, I would be happy to explain it," her voice filled with affection and excitement. "Today, I want to teach you a crucial and fascinating topic that plays a vital role in understanding communication, changing and shaping the world inside and outside us. That is data. Data is like the building blocks of the world and our knowledge." Azad's LED lights flickered, and with his gentle, electronic voice said, "Changing all the universe by data. It is great, and I love it. Can you explain it more, my teacher Vian?" Vian said, "Data is like the building blocks of everything we know and everything we do not know yet. Data is the smallest lock that we use to understand everything around us, from the smallest particles to the biggest galaxies, from the quantum level to the cosmic scale. It is the raw piece of information that we use to communicate with everything around us, from the simplest elements to the most complex systems. It is like the magical pieces and tiny tools that we use to changing and shaping the world inside and outside us and everything around us, from the most fundamental units to the most magnificent structures." Azad's LED lights flickered, and with electronic voice said, "If data is so essential tool for changing, shaping, understanding, and communicating with all the universe and the world inside and outside us, then data is like the language the universe uses to talk to us. Data is a foundation for knowledge." Vian said, "Yes, exactly. Data is like the language the universe uses to communicate with us. It's the foundation for knowledge, and it is what makes it possible for us to understand and shape the world around us." Azad, "Well, that's amazing. So data is super powerful." Vian said, "It truly is, Azad. Data is the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. By collecting and analyzing data, we can learn new things, make predictions, and create new technologies that can change the world." Azad, "That is incredible. Can you give me an example of how data is used in the real world?" As another example, I use data to teach you and learn you Python to empower you to become smarter and stronger, and can act like a human and even control the aggressive drones and defend people from the aggressive drones and change the world for good." Vian, "Sure. Let's take the example of medicine. Doctors and scientists use data to understand how the human body works and how to treat diseases. They collect data on patients' symptoms, medical history, and genetic information, and use the data to develop new treatments and medicines." Azad, "That is really interesting. So, data is not just useful for robots like me, but also for humans." Vian, absolutely. Data is useful for everyone, whether you are a robot or a human. It is a universal language that can be used to communicate and understand the world.
Chapter 1. The Discovery